remembers how you smiled. That golden day we walked a mile. Maple colors in your eyes, soft as late September skies. If I close my eyes, I see all the warmth you left in me. Autumn love and fading light, your heart breathing through the night. Every leaf that drifts above spells your name in tender love. Autumn love, don't let go. Through the wind our stories flow. Ooh, yeah, 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 Park bench where we used to be. Now it's only sky and me. Yet the echoes in the air draw your shadow to my chair. All the words I couldn't say gently fall like leaves today. Autumn love, so soft and true, painted in December hue. Every sigh and quiet Under quiet city lights, maple leaves like fragile kites. Falling slow along the street where our shadows used to meet. Every step and every glow takes me back to long ago. A maple night, I walk alone, hearing echoes of your tone. Every color in the air feels like you are still right there. A maple night, so soft, so clear, wrap me in the love I feel. Yeah, yeah, whispers on the window pane, soft guitar and distant rain. I remember how you'd smile, making all the dark worthwhile. In this amber tender glow, I still feel our story flow. Maple night, don't fade away. Hold the ghosts of yesterday. Every sigh and quiet breeze paints our names on silent trees. Maple night, stay with me till my heart can fall asleep. Yeah, 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 If our paths don't cross again, let this night remember when all the warmth we couldn't keep sinks into the city sleep. I won't chase what had to go, I just watch the red leaves glow. Maple night in gentle grace keeps your laughter in this place. Maple night, I close my eyes under soft and quiet skies. If you hear this silent plea, know you meant the world to me. Yeah, 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 Morning leaves on quiet ground. No one speaks, there is no sound. Still I feel a touch so true, like the wind's a hush of you in the light. gold. I hear stories we once told, whisper of you in the trees, calling softly with the breeze. Every rustle, every sigh paints your name across the sky. Whisper of you, soft and near, I can feel you lingering here. Ooh, yeah, 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 yeah. Ooh, yeah. Empty cups and wooden chairs, sunlight resting on the stairs. I can taste the days we knew in the air that drips me through. All the things we never said float like leaves above my head. Whisper of you, gentle tone, follows me when I'm alone. Every echo in this room blooms like late October bloom. Whisper of you, don't let go, I still need your quiet glow. Ooh, yeah, 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 yeah. Ooh, yeah, yeah. Time will fold and nights will pass. Raindrops trace the frosted glass. If the world forgets your name, I'll keep humming just the same. No bright thunder, no refrain, only soft autumnal rain. Whisper of you, tender, slow, teaches me to gently grow. Whisper of you in my heart, though we live in worlds apart. Every fall and leaf anew brings me back to loving you. Ooh, yeah, 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 yeah. Ooh, yeah, 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 coffee steam and gentle light, morning curls and quiet white. Through the window, falling leaves draw the shapes my heart believes. Every color, every hue across from me holds a fragile memory. We would talk of little things, plans and songs on fragile strings. Now the silence fills your name, warm and tender, never blame. By this coffee window white, I feel you sit by my side. Every gust and amber tone tells me I'm not all alone. Coffee window soft embrace keeps your echo in this place. Ooh, 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 oh, ooh, yeah, yeah. If someday you walk on by, see this glow in my brown eyes, know the love I couldn't speak still returns here every week. No confession, no regret, only warmth I can't forget. In this quiet autumn view, I say thank you silently to you. Coffee window, gentle sea holds the part you left in me. Every leaf that drifts from sight wraps us both in tender light. Ooh, yeah, yeah. First leaf falls and finds my shoe, soft reminder straight from you. Air turns cool, the sky turns thin, autumn slowly settling in. In this gentle shifting air, I still feel your fingers there. I will stay until the leaves sleep, holding every vow we keep, every golden falling line. Read your heart along with mine till the branches stand so bare. I will know you're everywhere. In the empty autumn street, I hear two hearts softly beat. Seasons change and so do we, yet there's grace in memory until all the leaves have flown. I will never be alone. I will stay until the leaves sleep in the promises we keep. Through the chill and gentle rain, love survives in quiet sunset pours in orange and wine. You reach out and your hand finds mine. Trees are burning red and gold, yet your touch is soft and cold. I don't need a single word. In your arms my heart is heard. October embrace, soft and slow, holding on, not letting go. Every color in the sky wraps us as the day goes by. October embrace, warm and true, I am safe here next to you. Just listen to it fall, laughing low, our voices blend like a song that has no end. Even when the nights grow cold, I will keep your fingers held. October embrace, tender light, shelter in the coming night. Every drift of crimson air proves that love is everywhere. October embrace, slow and kind, leaves our worries all behind. Ooh, yeah, 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 ooh, yeah, yeah. Years from now, when leaves still turn, I will feel this moment burn, not like fire, fierce and bright, but like I came back to our old place where the leaves erase your face. Sharps have changed and lights are new, but this road still speaks of you. Every corner, every turn holds the love we couldn't learn. Our fading street in autumn rain softly heals my quiet pain. Every step less heavy than I've known. Our fading street, let it be part of both your heart and me. People pass and don't quite see ghosts of you and ghosts of me. In the glass I catch my eyes, stronger than our last goodbye. I don't wish to hold you back. I move on this autumn track. Our fading street, quiet glow. Watch me gently let you go. Every color soft and slow teaches me to loosen hold. Our fading street, silver sky, I can leave without a cry. Yeah, 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 yeah. Ooh, yeah, yeah, yeah. If someday you wander through, may it feel like peace to you. Not a wound, but just a song from a time we once belonged. We were young and so unsure. Now we're older, hearts more pure. On this street of fallen leaves, we forgive what memory weaves. Our fading street, soft and kind. I will leave you in my mind. Thank you for the love we knew. I'll be someone kinder too. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Ooh, yeah, yeah, Raindrops trace the window frame, writing out your fading name in the hush of silver air, I still feel you standing there. Every drop that hits the ground echoes with your promise sound. Soft rain promise, don't let go. Keep our secrets soft and low. Even if you're far from me, I believe in what will be. Soft rain promise, tender grace falls like kisses on my face. Street light pools on broken stone. I walk slowly on my own, but the rhythm in the sky beats the words you left behind. In this gentle, steady flow, I still hear your quiet call. Soft rain promise, hold me close, like the scent of late red rose. Every cloud and moving shade keeps the vow that we once made. Soft rain promise, soft and short, teaches me that love is pure. Ooh, when the morning clears the air, I still know that you were there, not in thunder, not in cry, but in whispers drifting by. If the seasons rearrange, promises will also change. But this rain upon my skin says your heart remembers still. Soft rain promise, calm and light, holding me through autumn night. Even if we walk alone, love still finds its quiet home. Empty fields and resting hands, moonlight over quiet lands. All the work and all the washed away by autumn rain. Now we stand beneath the sky, watching silent stars drift by. After harvest, stars so clear, thankful hearts are gathered here. Every sparkle, every light blesses us this gentle night. Fields once full and hearts once bare, wrapped in silver, answered prayer. Grateful for the things we've grown and the love we've come to own. Under stars of quiet grace, we find home in this embrace. After harvest, hand in hand, we are held by sky and land. Every star that softly shines writes our names between the lines. Last light of autumn on my hand, shadows dancing on the land. All the days we couldn't keep settle down in quiet sleep. In this glow I understand why we had to change our plans. Last light of autumn, soft and slow, teaching me to let you go. Every color faint but true says I once was loved by you. Last light fading into gray. Thank you for our golden days. Woo, yeah, yeah. Bare trees reaching to the sky. No more need to ask them why. We were simply meant to be one short shining memory. No regret and no complaint. Only love without restraint. Last light of autumn coming bright wraps our story in the night. Every tear that used to fall turns to grace that heals it all. Last light whispering farewell. You have loved me, I can tell. Ooh, yeah, yeah, yeah. Snow will come and cover this, but it won't erase our kiss. Deep inside the winter air, I will feel you still